Hello, good afternoon again. Thanks to you guys for cut. Morning again, viewers and subscribers. We're here today again on the channel of Who's Who. We're starting today by carrying the goats out. This is our first time carrying them out to feed. But first, before we get into it, I'm going to say thank you all for so much for the positive comments, the criticisms, everything. It has been good. The response has been good so far, and we really appreciate it. Just continue adding your comments or private inbox me. I take criticism with a positive note. So thanks again, guys. I must say, the subscribers were almost at 100 subscribers. That's really good for just the 2 videos that we post. The watch time is a lot. Thank you again for that. We're here today. We're basically tying out the goats today. For the first time, we haven't done that before because we just keep them in the pen to feed, have them feed. But we're actually going on the road today with them to do some basic farm work, some agricultural things basically. So yeah, I'm gonna set you some more video, so just give me a few minutes. I will be right back. About 15 pounds and meat for the marriage. What you say, Rob? I don't have so much. You ready? You're father, So, we failed at our attempt to carry all the goats to the farm because, well, the females, as they normally do, give a lot of problem. Come like, no matter which species woman be, them always give problem. So, all of the female them decide say them now come. So we just say, alright, we'll leave them. So what we did was, we brought all the rams to feeding. That's what I really want to do is I want the place to be a little more clean. So I was going to carry all the goats, but it's not working out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just carry the rams each time I'm going. Because it's constant rain these days, so everything is growing pretty quickly. And to be honest, it's really costly to pay somebody to clean up the land every single time rain, come about. So the goats are the landscapers for me, basically. You put them out there, trust me, you won't have any landscaping problem. now. I don't know if they're going to, do the work properly or do it at all, because they haven't been out of their home since I bought them, and they're not familiar with the land. Just in case though, they try to run off and put some really long ropes on them, so in case they run off I can catch them back. Because trust me, it's not easy to catch a goat. They are pretty much, some of them they're growing really fast, some of them are a bit stressed because, well, the stress is that they're eating and they're not putting on any body weight. So I realized that 1 and 2 of them are stressed. I'm going to have to buy some anti-stress. Yes, they have something for animals that's called anti-stress. I saw it the other day in the farm store. So I'm going to have them take a little bit now, a little bit. They are, but other than that, they're growing, some of them are growing real nice. Some of them are growing quicker than I thought. The males, especially the rams, they are growing really fast. Better than what I expected. This is actually my first batch of goats raising. I've never actually raised goats before. I've done pigs when I was smaller, and as you know, cow, but I've never actually raised goats before. This is a new venture for me as well. So I'm just learning as I go along. Learning every little thing, little detail. Google helps a lot. I know that I was really interested in the farming thing. They offer some word of advice. They tell me what to do and what not to do, and if there's anything wrong, I should contact them. The community has been very supportive. I'm telling you that I'm a town person, coming from town on weekends to basically just do my own thing and try the farming lifestyle. They've been really supportive. I'm grateful for that. The reason why the goats are not directly on the farm daily, I built up a place for them there, but the farm is a little bit, it's a distance away from where my cousins live. So while it's very difficult to thief a cow, it's kind of easy to thief a goat if they're in a little catchment part. So what I did was I built a pen at my cousin's house because they have a huge land space, and they basically watch them, feed them 24/7, so they're a bit safe over there, and thieves are everywhere, so you can a wise man learn from one rebuke, or if you follow what as Jamaicans say, you follow what your old people them say, you can't go wrong, man. My father was one who told me that don't leave them over there because you might come one morning and leave us to the fence. So I listened to him, because he's a lot wiser. He's from the area, so he has a little bit more experience than I do. He's not a farmer, by the way, but he's where he's from. But yeah, that's it.
It's like a movie. That you are starting to or your wife is
Well, most Jamaicans call this a mango, but this is not a mango, this is a yellow skin fruit. You know why? We don't eat mango or womango. We eat yellow skin fruits.
Never.
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 Never
Never.
dog will put in this.
You know they are too
Ah,
hard.
yeah,
You
like a
never
dog.
put in this. You never
Let me
see a
know when
dog.
you big brother, dog soup. Everybody gonna put work. Put in this.
So you say, so they might tell us a kung fu, but a dog you eat.
What they will say, some family, we can't tell why it's happening. If you want time, go over Boss's dog and want to see from straight brother coming.
Yeah, so we're back again, guys. We basically went around me to a place where the river is actually put some feet over the It never really worked out. They're not used to traveling, they're not used to coming up to the place, so it's kind of difficult for them. What we try to do is not to stress them out, because if we stress them out, they're going to lose weight or you're going to not gain any weight. So for now, we are just having them feed a little bit. We're feeding on the farm today, but actually now we're at meat cutting some grass, some things that they really like to carry home. These are all the studs. This is Trevor, Brownie, Drizzle, and that lazy one over there is Jumbo. Yeah, so these are all the rams. Persons ask me what's the price for goats. It depends on the size basically. If you are buying one as small as this one, it'd probably be about $15,000 or even more, depending on the breed as well. These three are 1, 2, 3. They're Boer and they're the most expensive goat you can buy in Jamaica. This is just a common goat. He has no particular breed. But these three are really expensive. If you're buying them from a veterinarian service, it will cost you as much as $120,000 just for a baby of this size. But if you're buying them from like breeders, you can probably get them for $15,000. But this size probably about 30. For this common for about $5,000, $8,000, or even $10,000. Like, it all depends on the size. They're a lot bigger now. They can go as much as 70, 80, 90,000. A person just come and say, hey, I need a boat. 70, 80. You just give them the price, especially in Christmas, because if you all know the market's there for mutton. In Christmas it's what? $1,000, $1,500 a pound. No, that is not Christmas, it's about $900 a pound for mutton. So if you times say 900 times 40, you get the price. These are about, well, he's about 20, it's about 35 going 40 pounds, about 15 going 20, and I'm not sure about this one, but the best time to sell them is in Christmas, because in Christmas the rush for them is crazy. We're actually waiting on Robert and my cousin to come with the feed. We've been here for about 15 minutes, I don't know what they're doing so long. Yeah, just keeping you guys updated. Well, guys, it has been a lovely day. We are ending the video right here. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Subscribe, comment. That's going to be for the day. I am out.